Experiencing screen freezes, lag, or unresponsiveness on your Audi Q3's MMI infotainment system? There are three primary methods to reset it. For minor glitches, a soft reboot is often enough. Simply press and hold the power button on the MMI screen for 10 to 15 seconds. The system will restart in about 1 to 2 minutes, clearing temporary memory. For more persistent issues, a hard reset provides a deeper power cycle. To perform this, turn off the ignition, then hold the MMI power button for approximately 20 seconds before restarting your vehicle. If you're facing significant problems or want to restore the system to its original state, a factory reset is available. This is accessed through the MMI settings. Navigate to Setup, System, Factory Reset. Be aware that a factory reset will erase all your customizations and save data, so it's wise to back up any important presets beforehand. This process can take 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Most Q3 models, especially those from 2019 onwards, allow these resets directly via the touchscreen or steering wheel controls, and recent over-the-air updates have significantly reduced the frequency of these issues. MMI issues like screen freezes or lag typically occur due to software bugs, memory overload, or corrupted data within the system's Linux-based operating system. While resets are effective immediate fixes, Audi has been actively addressing these root causes through firmware updates. For instance, a firmware update released in mid-2024 for the 2023 Audi Q3 specifically optimized the system's Android-based OS, leading to a significant reduction in screen freeze complaints. Modern MMI systems, evolving from MMI 2G to MMI 4G, are designed for better stability, and screen freezes are less common now. For older Q3 models, particularly those from early 2015, physical buttons or even OBD2 diagnostic tools might be necessary for certain resets. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions and precautions. While resets don't impact core vehicle functions, they might temporarily disconnect paired devices like smartphones. The trend for Audi is increasingly towards software solutions, with OTA updates becoming the primary method for resolving glitches, making manual resets less frequently needed.